In today's video, we are going to talk about subtraction sentences using two color counters. If you don't have two color counters, that's okay. I don't have these counters at home either, so I'm using plastic eggs, like so, plastic eggs. You also need a piece of paper, like I have here, and something to write with. If you would like to go ahead for your child and write this out, go for it. Put a blank, a subtraction or a minus sign, another blank equals blank. That way they can just fill this in multiple times. I've also put it in a sheet protector so that way I can use an expo marker and write over it multiple times, erase it, and let them really get the chance to practice over and over. If you're curious what two color counters look like, that's an example of what they may look like in a classroom. But for home, this works just fine. So let's go over and read our first problem. It says, in Mrs. Hinckley's class, children are pasting paper circles on pictures to show bunches of balloons. Ben wants to show 10 balloons. After working for a while, Ben goes to get water. Ben's friend Leon takes some of Ben's circles. How can Ben figure out how many circles Leon took? So we know that Ben is starting with 10 balloons. So let's go ahead and put 10 balloons on our paper. It's okay, this might not fit, and that's fine. So we're showing 10. And let's just say that Ben's friend Leon took 3. So we're showing he's taking 3. If your child lays this out, what could be a problem with this logic? If you said that this looks like it's an addition problem, you're exactly right. I could see how a child would say 10 minus 3 equals 13, because that's the way this looks. So one way you might want to help your child to do this using plastic eggs, the counters is a different story, it changes things just a little bit. But using these plastic eggs, we're going to set it up almost like a tin frame, which we've talked about already. And we're just going to set it up so we've got, let's go ahead and write our first part. We know we've got 10. We're starting with 10. I'm going to just move this. Make sure you can see it on the video. So we've got 10. We know we're starting with 10. And we said that his friend took 3. So let's go ahead and just cover up 3. So we know that we're taking away, or we're losing 3. So let's go ahead and put that in a different color. I feel like this really helps them understand the difference. So 10 minus 3. Let's make sure you can still see this. So 10 minus 3, so we've had 10, we covered up 3 of these, or we took 3 away. How many do we have left? Let's look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. Now that we have done this one problem together, now I feel as though you should be prepared to help your child work on subtraction sentences. Keep doing this over and over so that way you can help them with any misconceptions they may have. Focus on whether or not they're thinking this is a minus or subtraction symbol or an addition. Make sure that they're doing the right method. Make sure that these are subtraction sentences, so make sure that they're subtracting each time. Best of luck. Let me know if you need me. I'm always here for you.